Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Katie, and today I'll be attempting to recreate Seulgi's makeup look. I think this is a very nice look for the spring and summer season that's coming up. Although we're quarantined, but you know, we're gonna have some fun doing it. Anyways, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. First of all, I'm gonna use the Inga Neutral Beige. This is a cushion foundation, and it has like a plate like this, and then you have to press on it, and then the product will come out. So, yes. So next, I'm gonna take the Maybelline New York 25 Fit Me Concealer. I'm just gonna do my under circles or dark circles because they are pretty bad. It's a really quick makeup tutorial. Like, I always like doing this during exam season just because I'm super stressed, and I just feel like this is a way of venting it out. And of course, different people have different ways of venting their stress out. I, for one, procrastinate a lot during exam season. Like, I totally just bow down to literally to people who like study so well during that time. I'm just like, how do you even do it? Like, I just have to distract myself to like study and like let the content sink into my brain. So next, what we're gonna do is we are going to do our lashes, because I just like curling my lashes before I even do anything else. My battery on this mirror is dying. See this? Anyways, yeah. Oh well. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a lipstick that is pinkish shade to it, and I'm gonna apply that to my lids just because I don't have super vibrant colors for eyeshadow. Apply a little actually on my hands. Yeah, honestly, I don't understand why people don't use this as eyeshadow. Like, it looks so good. But it's just super creamy, so I guess that's why people are kind of skeptical or just reluctant to use it. Anyways, I'm just blending it in nicely with my hands. So for brows, I am using Color Geometry, and this is Drawing Eyebrow pencil. So after I am done with the brows and eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyeliner, which is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner Trooper Black. Yeah, so here is what it looks like. Usually for me, I am a monolid or like inner fold, I guess. So like when I open my eyes super wide, like the eyeliner disappears. So that's why I like only doing just the end of my wing. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of brown. I'm using the Sephora Miniature Palette at the end of my wing, top of my wing. Just blending that in with my finger. I don't think the red is prominent enough compared to the one she had in her photos. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put more lipstick. I want to put more pink near the beginning of my eye, crescent of my eye, and then towards the end, I'm gonna blend it out. So I'm gonna do the same thing for eyelid here. So I got two sides on. You can see in her picture, there's some color, like pinkish color on her underlids. So I'm gonna top it off with the Mono Eyes S20 color. This is like the shimmery orangey tone, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it over my lid and under eyes because this is an orange color. It's I'm gonna blend between the brown and the red. So make a nice combination. Put a little bit of shimmer on the under eyes. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of, again, the Bobbi Brown lipstick that's called Bright Raspberry. And I'm just gonna put it at the under eye area and let that fade out at the wing to make it a bit similar to what Seulgi has in her photo. And I think the last part to this, she doesn't do any contouring. Like, it doesn't seem like that, so I'm just not gonna touch that. She does have a little blush on her cheeks, so I'm taking the Tarte blush called Party. I'm gonna take a little bit of that, dabbing it on my cheeks very lightly. Have that kind of rosy pink color in my cheeks. And to finish everything off, I am recurling my lashes in preparation for the mascara. Alright, and last but not least, I am taking the Etude House Curl Fix mascara. This is very nice because it has a curve. I'm doing the same for the bottom lashes. Even though they're so short, I can't really reach them. And then I'm going to do the same for the under eyes again. Okay, and to top it all off, to bring the look together, I am going to use the Bobbi Brown lip gloss called Rosy 22, and this is a very nice lip gloss that just pulls the look together. It has a nice shimmer and tint to it. It's very natural. It's not one of those like super vibrant pink that will make your lips look, or just make the color look kind of superficial, but artificial. So here you go. To top off the look, there you go. So this is my final outcome. I really like this look because it's very chic yet very soft and natural. Anyways, thanks guys so much for watching. Yeah, I hope you guys like this look. Hopefully I captured kind of using what I have Seulgi's makeup look. It's very neutral, very fun, very colorful. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Like and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of these kind of videos or just other random videos I have. Yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.